Let's make a little test first. What do you associate the word interruption with? Rudeness? Annoyance? Maybe interest? Culture? Hello everyone, my name is Lumi, and before we start, I want to thank every single person that watched my previous video. If you still didn't, you can click here, or the link will be, as usual, in the description box below. According to Cambridge Dictionary, to interrupt means to stop a person from speaking for a short period by something you say or do. Similar to Oxford Dictionary's definition of saying or doing something that makes somebody stop what they're saying or doing. But is interruption as easy and clear as its definition? And is it a cool or not thing to do? In her paper, Interrupting the Discourse on Interruptions, Julia A. Goldberg speaks of 3 types of interruptions: neutral, power, and rapport. In neutral interruption, there are no hidden social or psychological reasons behind. In this case, a person just wants to repair, repeat, or clarify an information that it was given with the simple reason of understanding everything better. And because in the end, nobody is offended, the act itself of interruption is neutral. It can be done in many ways, but it's usually a short, "Sorry, please repeat your last sentence," or "Could we stop at this point and elaborate more on that?" or "Pardon for the interruption, but do I get it right that?" Things are getting more intense in the power interruption. In this case, a person breaks in and cuts off a speaker as a sign of social power dominance. There are a couple of ways how to do or recognize that. An example is a sharp disagreement, and it can be either verbally by saying "This is stupid, it will never work, you're wrong," or non-verbally, either with your hand, or with your head, or with your face. Another very strong power interruption is stopping changing / floor taking. In this scenario, the interrupter intentionally suddenly takes over the discussion in order to move the spotlight from the person that was speaking before to him or herself. A third type of power interruption is tangenting, and this happens when you interrupt the person and say exactly what the other person said in order to take the credit for the results or for the information provided. Not to say that this type of interruption is very disrespectful and everyone will hate you for that. Last but not least, the rapport interruption. And this one is actually seen as collaborative and cooperative, and usually takes place in a very interesting and heated discussion, in a brainstorm session, or under very exciting circumstances. So coming back to my initial question if interruption is cool or not, the correct answer is C. It depends. In my opinion, interruption is less about manners and more about emotional intelligence and communication skills. In some cultures like Italian or Spanish, interrupting is oftentimes a sign of understanding and interest, while in others it is rude and annoying. I believe that being able to assess the situation and the people around is the key, and I hope that you can wisely use the information from this video to be persuasive yet not disrespectful. Wanna see more? Click here and here for more videos, here to subscribe, and share this video with someone very social power dominant. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!